All right, made it to the second weekend of unemployment. Yesterday was an interesting day. We did our morning routine and then Riley got her vaccines yesterday and her left arms got really swollen and I didn't notice it until later and I was like, oh my God, she could be okay. Oh, and then yesterday we went to the park because Foxy got her new drone and we went there and this whole thing happened and I really want your opinion whether I was too sensitive about this guy who I thought was being kind of racist to the other guy who was speaking English with an accent. But you let me know what you think of that. We're gonna go for a walk now, maybe downtown. I'm gonna bring some hot dogs and stuff. We'll see how that goes.
Hermosa, beautiful.
Thank you. Not open yet. Not open yet. There you go. Right. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Good job. Good job, Riley. See? Okay, let's cross the street. Come on. Let's go this way. Right? Sit. No, sit. No, sit. Yes. Good girl. That's okay. Sit. Yes. Girl. Okay, come on. No.
They get so excited.
Yeah.
Can they?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for the pet. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, she's a pit mix.
Aw.
Yeah.
Puppy, huh?
Yeah.
Hi. How old?
She's almost 4 months.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hi.
Thanks for the pets. Hi. Good morning. How are you? Good. Riley. Yeah, thank you. Come on. Riley, come. Sit. Good girl.
Loves dogs.
Huh? Loves dogs?
Yeah.
Is it okay if they meet?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely. Say hi, buddy.
Is that a baby? Look
He's
at
so cute. How old is he?
She's almost 4 years. Not 4 years. 4
I was
months.
gonna say 4 years. Yeah.
4
She's
months.
So cute.
Do you guys have a doggy?
Yeah, we have a little Shih Tzu.
Aw.
Yeah.
Say hi. Good girl.
All right. See you.
All right,
Bye.
see you.
I also found the perfect home workout. It's called burpees.
I finished my burpees. I'm hungry now. So I'm gonna find something to eat. See you later.